Hello everyone, this is my review of the Schiff Hard Bristle Crevice Cleaning Brush, and it quickly became a go-to for tackling those tough-to-reach spots. Straight out of the package, I was impressed by the compact yet sturdy design. The handle feels grippy, and the bristles are firm enough to scrub away grime in narrow gaps yet gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. It's also lightweight and hygienic. The narrow brush head easily slides into grout lines, window tracks, stove crevices, and more, removing stubborn dirt that typical brushes can't reach. I've used it on bathroom sinks, tile grout, car vents, you name it. This thing handles it effortlessly. Space-saving design. One end has a handy hanging hole, so I hang it dry afterward. Overall, this is a smart pick for anyone who wants a no-fuss, powerful cleaning tool to reach awkward spaces. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.